স্যার তো তাহলে স্যার এটার ফাইনাল অ্যান্সারটা তো আর বলে দেবে আবার নেক্সট।
Right? In ether, you can write in ether. This oxygen is which hybridized like water? sp3 hybridized. ठीक है? Now there are two lone pairs on oxygen atom, and it has bent structure. So ethers are polar. Second one, why ethers have more bond angle than water? Due to repulsive interaction between alkyl groups, steric repulsion. Steric repulsion. So it has more bond angle than water. You can write this way. First question is why ether is polar. In ether, there are two lone pair on oxygen atom. Got my point? And due to bond pair lone pair repulsive interaction, it is polar in nature. It has bent structure. Okay. Second one, why ethers have more bond angle than water? Due to repulsive interaction between alkyl group, steric repulsion between alkyl groups, it has more bond angle than water. Steric repulsion between alkyl group. Alkyl group or alkyl group, then right. Clear na?
Then bond pair and lone pair interaction ta ki bole?
And there are two lone pairs on oxygen atom. And there will be bond pair, lone pair, repulsive interaction. That is why it has bent structure. Hello, just like water. If it is bent, then only it will have dipole moment. You studied in class 11. If it has linear structure, then it will have no dipole moment, because now due to this dipole moment will act like this now. It has bent structure. What here also it has bent structure, so it has got dipole moment, so it is polar in nature. Clear na? If two vectors are at an angle this, what is the resultant vector? mu1 square plus mu2 square plus twice mu1 mu2 cos theta. Hello. But carbon dioxide has linear structure. It has zero dipole moment. That also you studied in class 11. Clear na, Devapriya?
Yes, sir.
In ether also, like water, it has bent structure due to lone pair, bond pair interactions. Lone pair, lone pair, lone pair, bond pair, VSE pair. And oxygen has two lone pairs. So it has bent structure. Bent structure means it is polar in nature. And second question I told, why ethers have more bond angle than water? That time you write, oxygen has two lone pairs, okay. Due to repulsive interaction between alkyl groups, hydrogen though repulsive interaction is very less, but in alkyl group repulsive interaction is very high, steric hindrance type. Due to steric repulsion, it has more bond angle than water. Clear? Hello? Clear na? Riddhi?
Yes sir, clear.
These explain why they are very important. Why ethanol is more soluble than ethoxyethane in water? Why ethanol has more boiling point than ether? Then hydrogen bonding between ether molecule and alcohol molecule you have to show. Why ethers are polar in nature? Why electrophilic substitution in aromatic ether takes place at ortho and para position? Why ethers have more bond angle than water? These questions are to be answered. Only 2-3 lines you can write, but the key point you have to present. Clear, no?
Sir,
Justly?
sir, তুমি যে বলে না why ethers are polar in nature, ওই অ্যানসারটা আরেকবার রিপিট করতে পারবে?
Why ethers are polar in nature, you can write in ether oxygen atom is sp3 hybridized and two lone pairs are present on oxygen atom. Due to bond pair, lone pair, this bond and lone pair, lone pair, lone pair, lone pair, bond pair. This, due to bond pair, lone pair repulsive interaction, it has bent structure. Bent structure means it is polar in nature. Just like water also, water bent, that is why it is polar. Clear, no? If water has linear structure, would it be polar?
No,
No.
sir.
Just like carbon dioxide is polar or non-polar?
Non-polar.
The non-polar.
Two opposite and equal vector. But if water is also like this structure, then will it be polar?
No, sir.
Non-polar.
Here, two lone pair is present, and according to BSEPR theory, it will have bent structure. Arrangement, you told me it has tetrahedral type, but it has bent structure. In carbon dioxide, carbon cone hybridized. sp
sp2.
sp both side double bond. Two, no, both side double
Yes,
bond,
sir.
carbon sp linear structure. No lone pair on carbon. All are used up. Linear structure. Are calculate karo. 1:2:2 to 4. 1:2:2 to 4. 8, 12. So carbon how many? 1:2:2 4. Oxygen 1:2:2 6. 10. 10 divided by 8. 8 1 ja 8. Carry 2. 2 1 ja 2. Total Q1 plus 2 plus R to 0. 2. 2 1 is a cone hybridized. SP na?
Yes, sir.
Or directly you can say multiple bond is treated as a single electron bond pair. So there are two bond pair. So carbon atom is sp hybridized, no lone pair. Linear structure, it has zero dipole, it is non-polar. But water into polar. Its dipole moment 0. Its dipole moment is greater than 0. Just ether also like that. In case of ether, bond resultant bond dipole is positive. Reactions of ether, you see.
Sir.
স্যার স্যার এটারও কি মানে বন্ড পেয়ার গুলো মানে ওয়াটারের মতনই দেখাবো?
Actually, bond pair it is truly it is like this. Tetrahedral arrangement. Got my point? Arrangement of tetrahedral. Clear na? Water কিন্তু then result lone pair interaction in class 11 you have studied in BSEPR theory.
স্যার স্যার একটা আমার give reasons এর প্রবলেম ছিল। Sir, while separating a mixture of ortho and para nitrophenols by steam distillation, name the isomer which will be steam volatile. Give reasons.
This is very important question. Very important. This question you might get in CBSE board exam also. They say this is orthonitrophenol. This is orthonitrophenol. Remember nitro how we wrote in haloalkane haloalkane chapter. You have delta positive, you have delta negative. Hello, clear na? What? Hello. Hello, in nitro group. And this is paranitrophenol. This is orthonitrophenol. This is paranitrophenol. Delta plus, double bond O, oxygen negative, delta negative. Oxygen always delta negative, nitrogen delta positive. This is paranitrophenol. You write the answer. You present this way. You write in orthonitrophenol. You write, Hello.
Yes, sir.
In orthonitrophenol, everybody please write. Shubir. In orthonitrophenol, due to intramolecular hydrogen bonding, orthonitrophenol is having less boiling point and it is steam volatile. You show the hydrogen bond. Intramolecular hydrogen bond you show. Clear? Because nitro group and OH group are very close to each other now.
So orthonitrophenol has less.
Orthonitrophenol is steam volatile. Less boiling point. This is called INTRA, intramolecular hydrogen bonding. So these molecules are more associated or less associated, you say?
The less associated.
Less associated. Within itself it is busy with hydrogen bonding. But in paranitrophenol, you will answer now. In paranitrophenol, I am writing this way. In paranitrophenol, always nitro group you write in this way. Delta always positive, nitrogen, delta positive, oxygen, delta negative. The coordinate bond is there accurately. And OH. Now, this way it will not form hydrogen bond. It is too far, na? Hello. Got it, na? This nitro group. Here intermolecular hydrogen bond. Intermolecular hydrogen bond, if it will take place, our oxygen, this is intermolecular hydrogen bond, INTER. This is intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So which molecule is more associated, orthonitrophenol or paranitrophenol?
Para.
Sir, para.
So which should have more boiling point?
Para.
Which is more volatile?
So
Sir, ortho.
That is why orthonitrophenol has less boiling point, it is steam volatile. Paranitrophenol has more boiling point, it is not steam volatile. The key point of the answer is? Say?
Intra or inter.
And show it. Don't say it is diagram. It is the logic. You show this.
তো এখানে কি আনলিমিটেড হাইড্রোজেন বন্ডিং হবে প্যারা পজিশনটাতে?
Continuous will go, but in this case, intramolecular hydrogen bonding is more. So it will be busy with this thing only, so it has less boiling point, steam volatile.
তো ওটা বেশি ভোলাটাইল হবে না, মানে অর্থোনাইট্রোফেনল?
না, that is a steam volatile, more volatile, less boiling point. Clear na, Devopriya?
Yes, sir.
Nitro group kintu always you show in this way. I have also presented in why haloarines are less reactive. How did you answer it? towards nucleophilic substitution?
So they are stable due to resistance.
How the nucleophilicity or nucleophilic substitution reaction can be made feasible in haloarine? By introducing nitro group at ortho and para position, you wrote na that mechanism
Yes.
also, because nitro group has very strong minus I effect, so it will reduce the electron density on carbon atom. Where halogen atom is linked, you wrote this thing. Hello.
Yes, sir.
In haloalkane, remember, it is there in your.
স্যার অ্যাসোসিয়েটেড আর মানে লেস মোর অ্যাসোসিয়েটেড এটা বুঝছি না, এটা বুঝাবে?
Associate, if it is more associated, more energy is required to break the bonds, more will be the boiling point. Less associated means readily it will escape. Got my point? Separate na, separate entity. Add a bonded entity, hydrogen bonded entity, which has more boiling point.
স্যার দা
Where association is more,
Correct.
where internal hydrogen bonding is more. Or here the itself is having hydrogen bonding, so there is no question of association. Very less association is there. It is polar, but less association. Clear, na?
ইয়েস স্যার।
Hello. Next, you write only one reaction is very.
Sir.
There.
Sir, association बोलते माने interaction with the surrounding particles.
Suppose this molecule is associated with this through hydrogen bonding. Suppose it has to break now. We have to break it, and where in orthonitrophenol within this molecule hydrogen bonding was there. So this is not associated. It can easily escape. Now, clear, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Simple thing. Next, you write only two reactions are there. Number one, you write reactions with haloacid. This is very important, huh? Reactions with in your NCERT in text also some questions are there from this. Reactions with haloacid. Ether, there is problem. It is a symmetrical ether. What is the name of this ether? Hello, Yaslin.
So dimethyl ether.
Dimethyl ether is common name. IUPAC name.
স্যার মিথক্সি
So methoxymethane.
Methoxymethane. Simple mechanism. The oxygen will get protonated. I minus will attack. SN2 attack. It gives methanol plus iodomethane. Here no problem. Remember, if we take this type of ether, what is the name of this ether? Riddhi?
Sir, methoxy. One.
Two methoxy.
Sir, one methoxy.
Sir, 1-methyl butane.
Right?
1-methyl ethane.
Keep what you are telling. Long chain. The methoxy.
স্যার 2 মিথক্সি প্রোপেন।
2 methoxypropane, na? If I write this, you will be easily say 2 methoxypropane. This and previous one the same, na?
Yes, sir.
But then I have written this way. Long chain to this one, na? 1, 2, 3, yeah, 1, 2, 3. Clear, na? 2 methoxypropane. Understood, na?
Yes.
ইয়েস স্যার।
Remember, when there is a secondary alkyl group and primary alkyl group, remember always smaller haloalkane and bigger alcohol is formed. In this case, the product will be what?
Sir, একবার বলবেন?
Propan 2-ol, I'll show the mechanism. Here this will be protonated and I minus will undergo SN2 attack. SN2 attack, it will attack on CH3. It is a primary. So it will give smaller haloalkane, bigger alcohol. If I take this type of, what is the name of this ether? Just I'd like to make it clear. What is the name of this ether?
Methoxypropane. Methoxypropane.
Methoxypropane. If we add here HI, it will give propanol, CH3, CH2, CH2 OH plus iodomethane. Always smaller haloalkane and bigger alcohol is produced. But if we take here, you noted na this one. But if we take tertiary alkyl group and here primary or secondary, whatever it may be, suppose it is. What is the name of this ether? Long chain, this one.
Sir, ethoxy 2-methyl propane.
2-ethoxy. Just now we discussed 2-ethoxy, 2-methyl
Yes, sir.
propane.
Yes.
Here if we add HI, remember, if it is a tertiary group, then product will be tertiary butyl type here, iodide plus more alcohol. You remember, it is striking one. In ether, it is there in NCRT. In some in-text question you will go through today. You will see why. Because after the formation of, after protonation, it will form very stable carbocation, and stable carbocation can be attacked by I minus. But in case of primary, secondary, I minus will attack through SN2. That is why in case of tertiary group linked in ether, then always tertiary haloalkane is formed and corresponding alcohol is formed. But in case of primary or secondary, whatever it may be, always primary haloalkane is formed and bigger alcohol is clear now. You see, you note it, and first you note it, after that I will discuss.
Sir, topic টা আবার বুঝাবে?
When unsymmetrical ether, in case of unsymmetrical, the first one I wrote symmetrical ether, there is no problem. But in unsymmetrical ether, if it is any tertiary group is present, that will always form haloalkane. And in other cases, primary or secondary, primary part will form the haloalkane. You see the mechanism. Suppose there is a tertiary one. What will happen? H plus I minus, it will be protonated. It gives what? Protonated there now. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now this tertiary carbocation is very stable, so it has more plus I effect also, bigger bulky group. It gives this carbocation CH3 CH3 carbocation plus this alcohol will go as neutral species, because the O positive is neutralized after taking electron from this, plus ethanol. So here this tertiary carbocation is very stable as intermediate. So I minus the now where it will attack this one. Clear na? So in this case, cone attack is possible. In tertiary case, which attack is feasible? SN1 or SN2?
SN1.
SN1. But in other ethers, you see there will be SN2 attack. So remember this one. If there is a tertiary group, today you will see 389 or something. In that page it is given tertiary and you have primary, tertiary, secondary. If it is tertiary, then always we will go for tertiary haloalkane or remaining part alcohol. Here this alcohol is formed and this haloalkane is formed. Clear now? Now hello.
স্যার তোমার ভিডিওটা মাঝে মাঝে পজ হয়ে যাচ্ছে।
You noted this one? Clear now? Now you see, if it is a primary case, suppose I am taking this one, CH3, CH2, O, CH3. They are H plus. Where it will attack? It gives CH3, CH2, O, H positive, CH3. Now here I minus will attack. Which attack? It will attack here or here? Which is theoretically less hindered? Methyl or ethyl?
Methyl.
Methyl.
So here it will be SN2 attack. Here then it will be removed. Then it gives this ethanol CH3 CH2OH plus CH3I. A smaller haloalkane and bigger alcohol. But if it is a tertiary case, first carbocation is formed because tertiary carbocation is very stable due to more hyperconjugation form that you know. So here we will get bigger haloalkane and smaller alcohol. Clear? Hello? Clear now?
স্যার টার্সিয়ারি পার্টটা হচ্ছে হ্যালোঅ্যালকেন হয়ে যাবে আর প্রাইমারি পার্টটা অ্যালকোহল হয়ে যাবে।
If it is tertiary is there, but if unsymmetrical ether is there, tertiary is not there, but unsymmetrical, then which haloalkane and ether is and haloalkane is formed? Which alcohol and which haloalkane?
স্যার লার্জারটা হ্যালোঅ্যালকেন আর স্মলারটা অ্যালকোহল।
No. What is the name of this ether?
তো 2-methoxybutyl।
2-methoxybutane।
What is the name of this ether?
স্যার 2-ethoxy 2-methyl butane।
Good. What is the name of this ether?
So ethoxypropane.
Ethoxypropane. Now you see, in this case, both are primary, na? Ethyl propyl, both are primary. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Here this one, cone carbonate, primary, secondary or tertiary?
Tertiary.
Here agar carbocation हुआ, that is very stable. Here it is secondary and it is primary. I told if it is a tertiary carbocation will be formed, that is very stable, that will always give what? Iodoalkane or haloalkane. If we add HI, what is the major product? Here SN1 attack. Here also SN2 attack. Here SN2 attack. And here which is the major product? Correct. What is the IPSC name of their haloalkane? And which alcohol? Ethanol. Here which haloalkane? Which alcohol? Here which haloalkane? Which alcohol? Understood now? I told in case of tertiary ether, always tertiary haloalkane will be the major product because attack will be taking place through SN1 process. Primary, no problem, smaller haloalkane because SN2 and bigger alcohol. Primary, secondary haloalkane and secondary alcohol. But in case of tertiary or primary or secondary, whatever it may be, the product will be tertiary haloalkane. So another I am telling, it is a tertiary and it is a secondary. In this case, what is the IPSC name? Isopropoxy, ठीक है ना? 1 2 3 4 2 isopropoxy 2 methyl butane, ठीक है? इसमें 8 are haloalkane and this alcohol will be produced. Clear na? When there is
tertiary group ta jane.
When there is a tertiary, and today you just go through page I think 300 something, 80 something, 79 or something like in ether portion you see some index, some questions are there. You will solve it today. This type of questions are there. When HI is made to react with unsymmetrical ether. Symmetrical no problem nahi. Smaller haloalkane, bigger alcohol because SN2 attack. But in case of unsymmetrical ether, only tertiary if it is present, then it will give haloalkane, iodo. If we take HI, if we take HBr, then bromo or smaller alcohol. Clear? In other cases, bigger alcohol. Clear?
স্যার এখানে লাস্টের প্রোডাক্টের সাথে কি মানে বিগার চেনের সাথে আয়োডিনটা আসবে তো?
হ্যাঁ, এর সাথে আই আসবে। আর এর সাথে অ্যালকোহল। Isopropanol or propanol. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
And I don't think this type of question they might set in CBSE, but as it is there in your NCERT intake, some questions are there that you will go through, please. This type of questions are there. Today only you will go through. One more thing, if it is the anisole, just ulta reaction. What we did in the preparation of anisole by Williamson synthesis, which is to be used sodium phenoxide, here product will be phenol plus CH3. Clear now? Why? Because here oxygen will get protonated. Here this will get first protonated. Now it gives protonated species plus CH3. Now I minus, it will attack SN1 or SN2. It will undergo SN1 attack or SN2 attack. Hello, CH3.
SN2.
SN2. Then it gives what? Phenol. It goes as phenol plus CH3. Clear na? The byproduct will be, sorry, main product will be phenol and CH3 instead of iodobenzene and methanol. Clear na? Hello? I think you got it, Devapriya, Yaslin, Shivani, Riddhi, Akash.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
clear.
sir.
If we take anisole, so HI will product, write the product, drink the product A plus B. Will you write phenol and CH3? Cone attack? It will undergo via cone attack
SN2.
SN2.
after protonation. HI will be link मतलब. একটা H একটা I তাহলে একটা alcohol একটা halo alkane, iodo alkane. Clear না?
স্যার এগুলার কি আসতে পারে মেকানিজমটা স্টেপসের?
No. In CBSE not possible. In entrance they might ask in what way it will proceed. That way I am discussing. Because organic second chapter finished. So little bit advanced level you have to study. No, clear no?
Yes, sir.
Next day I will discuss. First I will discuss distinction between pairs of organic compound. Today it is not possible. Next day I will discuss Wednesday distinction between pairs of organic compound. Then I will start aldehyde ketone carboxylase. Clear? Hello.
স্যার আজকের দুটো রেকর্ডিং একটু গ্রুপে দিয়ে দেবে?
Okay, yeah, just you say Subir will give.
হ্যাঁ স্যার দিয়ে দিব।
I do not know where it is saved. Exactly, I do not know. But I am leaving today. Okay. Yaslin, Shivani.
Okay, sir.
You'll go through it. Huh? If any doubt is there, next day you ask. I will try to make it clear. Huh? I'm leaving then. Good night. Huh? Hello.
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।
Hello, Priya.
Yes, sir.
Subir.
Thank you, sir.
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।